Move it. Move it. Hey, no. Move it. Move. Take it easy. Move. Take it easy. Ain't none of y'all can do shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all call yourself EFCC, all that shit. Hey, nigga. Hey. You're insane. You're insane shit. Because y'all see that I'm successful. Move it. Move it. Y'all know what I'm dying with? Listen, don't handle me. Don't handle me. Anybody that handle me, you handle me. What else? Let me tell you. Chase my homie. Please free my homie.
Honey.
Hey! What's it?
Honey!
Hold it up! EFCC or whatever you call your name, so shit. Allow my wifey to talk to me. Only say what you gotta say.
Honey, how did it go?
Honey, I've got to forfeit everything that I got to avoid all this embarrassment and shit. Y'all know how this country be like? Just because my name appeared on the FBI list, and now they won't let me be great. But I'll tell you something. I forfeited everything. Money, wealth. Yes.
So, you mean you have to forfeit everything? Eh? Your money? Your asset?
Honey, let me let you know something clear. I might be down now, but that doesn't mean I won't be up tomorrow. Don't forget, your husband, Akajiaku, one of 1 million.
Mr. Man, stop this plenty English and move it!
Wait, are you forfeiting this house too?
Everything, honey.
Hey,
Mister, move it! Move it!
Hey, come on, go! Criminal. That's how you get this country.
Go here! What the fuck? Come here, guys! Come back! Yes. Are you stupid? No, sir. This is one and that on the again. Sorry, sir. What's again tomorrow? Sorry. Shiyak again, raise your hands. You will stay here till night. Carry on where? You will stay here till night. How dare you fight in my Dikeh empire? Is it to air? That on the again. Where? Hey, no noise. No noise. No noise. Yeah, give off ma. If ma dey go go na. If olo. Dikeh go go cha tole agos. Monkey. Keep am where? Mo age na sele igbo. O tu ina ebuchi mu mo akeke to itie no miye. Baka venti. If go na nya kale ge. Ofu la mo age. Ima ni je teka. Madame Zonda biko. Two to go. Yo. Why, Oma? Any improvement? My muscles. My chest, muscles. It's coming out. Hope there's improvement, right?
Yes. Eh? Do you know there is no food in the house?
Call your brother now. He has always been helping us. Call him. He will send you money.
Yes.
What?
Did you say I should call my brother for money to feed your wife and child?
Yes.
Oh, so my brother has been giving me money to fend for the family. Now means he's the breadwinner of your home?
And what is it? You know I don't have a job now. Eh? You know I'm jobless. How can I fend for my family when I don't have money? See, call your brother. He has been fending for us. He has been helping us since and sending us money. Just go ahead and call him and stop disturbing me. Let me do my exercise, please.
Oh, guess you have been jobless for years, but I've refused to look for work. Okay, so look for something to do. You men build their home, not muscles. Build your home, Ugoisu. Build your home. That is what men do.
I can see you don't want me to have peace in my house. You don't want me to rest. You don't want me to do my exercise in peace. Okay, let me go to the field and continue it from there. Since you, my wife, has refused me doing it here.
Ugoisu, look for work. Ugoisu!
Pizza bag.
Coming back to this village is not the best option. Why not borrow money from your friends and we can go somewhere people don't know us and start a new life?
My love, you know I don't have friends. I don't make friends. You know it. The only friend that I have just fled out of the country so as not to get implicated because of what's going on right now. There are no FBIs in the country, so everybody's trying to play safe.
But how do we face the shame of falling from grace to grace? In front of the same village people that sees you as a god of money. Moreover, your brother is not someone you can share same house with.
It's okay. Akajaku still remain Akajaku, regardless. Speaking of my brother, I will know how to manage him. We'll figure something out, okay?
Manage that, Roscoe?
Oh, come on.
You know what I'm capable of. You know that.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright. We're not still...
Thank you, madam.
See, days are gone when I used to see you as my son's wife. Now I know that Dikeh, my son, married his fellow man. As a matter of fact, I am now beginning to see you as my stepson in this house because there's no sign of a female reproductive organ in your body. Oko sisi, akwa akwa.
Hey, Mama, Mama. Respect yourself, oh. I swear, Mama. I swear, Mama, if you repeat this very insult again, I will sharpen your left eye with my bare hands. Ifunanya, Mama.
Which left eye? This one? This left eye? You went to Ikea as sharpener or cutlass? Bafuo dear. Bafuo. See. You are nothing but ordinary China phone. Noise maker without network service. Because you can say about poor. Give me money, let me get out of here.
You know what, Mama? I must follow my husband's instruction not to give you 1 kobo. Not even 500 naira.
Oh, say husband. Hus what? Did I hear you say husband?
You heard me well, my husband.
Let me tell you the truth, you never know. As far as this family is concerned, you are nothing but ordinary keke passenger. Very soon you will reach your bus stop and get lost. Give me money. Give me money, Jare.
Mama, nego. Come on, collect it. Let me see.
Give me that money.
Nego.
Sing the mega.
Rubbish. You just touch me. Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Mama, okay. Mama. Hey. Mama! Mama! I will kill you today! You don't know who you're messing with! I will kill you today! You don't know who you're messing with! You don't know who you're messing with! I will kill you today! I will kill you today! Mama! I will kill you today! I will kill you today! You don't know who you're messing with! Mama! Hey!
Mama, so I decided to save my herd first by letting go of everything that I had. Even as I speak right now, my bank account is frozen.
No.
I have nothing left in it.
Yes. Market. You know, it's okay. Let me tell you, life is more important than riches. What you did is right. Your head first. See, I have been praying for you since this case started 8 months ago. And I thank God you did not end up in prison the second time. I thank God. Oyibo, you want to be strong, oh? You know?
Okay, Mama.
Be strong. Things will be fine very soon. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, what's going on?
Oh, that's your brother's keke business. You know, after you gave him that money 5 years ago to buy keke, he was able to save up money to buy over 15 keke. I'm telling you, that's how people come every day to pay in their money. He's the owner of Ubure Ekwebak. That's where the keke riders are staying. Only his own keke riders. Oh, I'm telling you, that thing he calls a wife is his accountant. I don't even see their money. I don't used to see their money. If I ask them for anything, no. That's why we were running up and down. That's why we were fighting the time you came. Oh, go give me money, another problem.
Oh, Mama, well, this is good news. This sounds good. Dikeh. Prodigal son. I'm surprised.
Exactly.
I'm surprised you could grow a business like this.
It's true. Honestly, I am surprised. I never knew that Dikeh will make something out of life. I'm telling you.
Are you not aware of this?
Oh, come on. I have no idea. Besides, it's just the first time, hearing about this. But it's good, it sounds good anyway.
That your brother is evil.
Husband is virtually doing nothing just because you provide for us.
Ego, don't forget you're my only sibling. And I can't fold my hand and watch you go hungry just because you're in your husband's house. No. Are you not Ego, my sister again? Eh? You are all I've got in this world, so just share up, everything will be fine. I'll always be there for you. Oh? That reminds me. Hold this money. Use it to support your husband.
Thank you very much, brother.
You're welcome.
But I'm getting tired of this marriage by the day.
No. You don't have to get tired. You have to make it work. Okay? In no due time. God will remember your husband.
Not when he's so unwilling to work. My husband is becoming lazy. He doesn't do anything apart from building his muscles.
See, let me tell you. Adam, my paramount aim is to make sure you remain in this marriage. And believe you me, this marriage must work. See, the enemies are watching. They are waiting to hear the bad news. They will laugh at us if your marriage collapses. Just exercise a little more patience with your husband. Everything will be fine. Let me remind you, there is no champion without stories of challenges. Oh? No.
I'm tired.
Ego, you will be fine.
Papaya, can't fumigate the environment or what is mosquito. Senior, you called me. Abushi, sir. Pronounce this. It is simple, huh? Beans and plantain, pomo and fish. Abushi, Ibumo. Pronounce this. I come out copy some plantain. Okay. Pronounce this. Doings. I know so you no go school, but try some more. Doings. Again. Doings. Again. Doings. More like this. One Nelly Cosina. I am introducing a new ticket today. From this moment, every keke will be paying 300 naira each. Doings ticket. As in Doings ticket. Doings ticket. 300 by keke. They ask you what is doing. They say all these drinks, people, cigar, money, all of them are doings. So we are introducing new ticket. Doings ticket. 300 naira by keke. Jemo, these people they don't already complain. Say tickets not too much. This one are the 6th tickets now. Abushi, sir. It what you and Jack. Abushi, it what you my ban. How wanna? Who is the owner of this Keke Empire?
Chemo, even God knows say you get this place.
Bayawa. Who is the Dangote here? Who get all this Keke?
Baba na you now.
So I want to go to tell me what I want to do. I want to go to tell me how I want to run my Keke Empire. Boyala. Boyala. I wish you to watch here. Daddy talking. I wish you to watch here and Jack. I wish you to watch here. Daddy talking. My friend, go and tell every anybody in this park that there is a new ticket. 2 weeks ticket. 3 naira per keke. You have 2 hours to bring 19,400 naira here. Otherwise, I will not only demote you as the chief task force, I will make sure you rot in jail. Why you sir? Why you sir?
I never kill. I never lay foundation.
Why yeah? When you collect the money, eat from there first.
Gave him the money to start up the Dikeh business. And an agreement was signed by the both of you to jointly own the business. How come he didn't carry you along as the business grew? How?
Well, the truth of the matter is I do not intend to own the business with him. That's the real fact right here. Yeah, I just did that all to make him take the business seriously. Since it's my kid bro, you know what I'm saying? He needs to have a livelihood of himself. Yeah, dig, huh? That was my intention.
And you are just telling me now. Look, agreement is agreement. You have to return to the paper now you are back to square one. You can't afford to miss this golden opportunity. 15 keke no be beans.
Now, speaking of the agreement right here, I don't even know where I kept the document or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know where I kept it in the first place. So how do we go about that?
Perhaps you forgot I collected it from you that fateful day. I have the papers.
Wow. Bobby, you amaze me. You are.
It's not as hard as staying broke. Eh? Both of you signed an agreement to jointly own the business. Please. Go back to him and tell him to account for the business. Especially now we are in our family recession. Kiko, please.
Akajiaku, big.
Yo, special delivery.
Hey.
Special delivery.
Akajiaku, big.
Special delivery. Or special delivery. Awuda. Special delivery. Or special delivery. Awuda. When I'm taking you to California in a bit. Yeah, big, huh, nigga? Ra. Yeah, what up? That's what's up, nigga. That's what's up. My kid, bro, what up?
Akajiaku.
Yeah, what up, nigga?
You're highly welcome.
I got some expensive shit right here. Y'all know what this is? Good. This is what we call cognac.
Cognac.
Yeah, this is cognac, my nigga. Cognac. Real shit. Have a taste of this shit.
You're highly welcome.
Yeah, what up?
You're welcome.
What up? Miss you, bro. Miss you time. Yeah.
I would have been here last night, but I came back very late. By buying and hustling, and I was drunk and down. I wanted to chill, come see you. How was your trip?
It's all good. We here now. We chilling. We balling.
Okay. Come.
So,
the news was everywhere. We had your name appeared on FBI list for scam. You went to jail, came out, lost everything. The news was everywhere. So, what happened?
That's past now. That shit is past now. I've overcome that shit. You know what I'm saying? Another one right now is I actually came so we can share the proceed of the first keke bin netted about me. Why you acting like I said some strain? Or you forgotten that we had a partnership agreement from the first keke bin net? No, come on, man. Come on. You better have everything out there. Shit. Come on, let's get down to business.
What is even Akajuku? I can see the injection they gave you in prison is still affecting your head. Oh wow, but I can I'll come back later. They injected your brain and they kept you in the Now listen to me,
You have to own your own shit. Alright? You have to own your own day. Own your own shit. You can't rely on my shit all the time. Own your own shit. You're matured enough. Own your own shit.
What have I done? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? What have I done to deserve all this?
Nne, stop crying. Ojukwu will come back, oh?
When? When will he come back? Ojukwu has been missing for the past 2 days now. And you are asking me to stop crying when my son is nowhere to be found. You're asking me to calm down. Can I calm down? Where is my son? I'm going to take it easy when I'm not seeing my son. Oh, you movie calling me now. You baby.
You finally found him? Yes.
Where? How? Is this still alive?
He was arrested by the tyrant Keke chairman, the one at Uburekwe.
Why?
And now he's in the police cell.
Then let's go and see him.
Police are requesting for 10,000 naira for his bail. 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. Dikeh.
As far as he's alive.
Okay.
Just follow him.
Please, just take me to him.
I will join you soon.
I want to see my son. Take me to my son. I want to see my son.
Not.
Please, my son. Let's go. Stop, let's go.
Every night I have for Wasikwa. Ndi mi ane sokwa ka asikwa. Apo ima na nwoke dị me na stay on my own. Ma asikwa na asikwa. Hey, Papa Yodogu. Papa Yodogu. Hey, boss. Only you now you. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Baba. Go back to the work. I got you to watch and jagger. Tama, Namaba, how can I got you to watch and tatoliage? What do you mean by I should come and account for you? For the Dikeh business? You are who? You are who? Agreement. Do brothers do agreement? I know your one wife is behind this one. Ma jagger. Also to watch and jagger. Nobody will touch my Dikeh empire. Nobody, lie to lie. Nobody will touch my Dikeh empire. I'm going to go Dikeh. Use on jagger.
Agreement na agreement oh. Agreement na agreement oh. Oka barapa okwisi keche wea.
How can I? But the Dikeh be our Dikeh, we. You know what I mean? We give it.
Agreement na agreement oh. Agreement na agreement oh. Oka barapa okwisi keche wea. onye rapie ya na nwanne ya kpara nsogbu adị onye rapie ya na nwanne ya kpara ọgba aghara adị.
Just imagine. Can you imagine the way he walked out of me, almost spilling alcohol on my leg? A boy has set up, now trying to front line on me. I set him on, made him who he is. But you know something? I'm going to bite that boy in a way he will never understand. Without minding he's my brother. Trust me, that's what I'm going to do. I won't even look.
There is no brother in business. So that was why I insisted you sign that agreement with him then.
So why does it look like I'm asking for what is not mine?
That is greed! But I won't let that happen in this house. It will not happen.
Oi! 1 minute silence, Nico. The king is here. Bam, 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 bam. Bye-bye. Chance, the king is here. I need you to fumigate the environment. Too many mosquitoes. Die also. Yeah, Akachi. I want you to repeat what you said earlier. Because you know I am your problem. So repeat what you said. What did you say?
First and first, let me bring this to your notice. Know that I'm your elder brother. I'm your senior. I set you up. I made you the fuck you are today. So you can't say shit where I am. Now, just for the record. What's up with the account?
I don't know what you're talking about. Which account?
The account for the Dikeh business, both of you all together.
It's not a witch meeting. Who called you? And then even though Banja here.
Now listen, how dare you speak to my wife in that manner?
No, your wife. Me, I married a cow. Listen, you are not Banja. You are not supposed to talk here. As for your account, it's all account, Abi. Buy one. I will give you account.
Then go ahead and do the right thing. We are not in for your local village drama.
Ewo, me village drama. International artist, no. Cardi B, how is Rihanna? Obanje, I don't have your time. As for you, buy one now. I made you for account.
You know I got you. You know I got you, huh? You know I got you.
Yeah, hey.
You know I got you, huh? You know I got you. You know I got you, huh? Now listen real good. You ain't seen nothing. Just go and thank your God because I didn't come with my 9mm. Otherwise, my 9. And they come right here.
Hey. Come where? Hey! Come on, hey! See, man, I tell you, you guys say you no get sense. Eh? You guys say you no get sense. Especially when they give me food, now you just dey here. They run your mouth. You be Radio Nigeria. Eh? We no get conscience. Conscience, you know, dey for our family. Eh? Make I tell you, come on for you also. Come on for you, enter inside. We don't carry our heart, go give Kano Heart Foundation. We don't get heart at all. Come on for you also. Senior, come on there, see Christmas now. I
failed me.
Yeah, why you saw? Account you shall see, don't worry. I'll bring account for you. Oh Lord.
Oh, Chimo. Can I delete you? Thank God we are back. My son, am so sorry. Please just go inside. Wash off yourself. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. All I know is that it will never be well with that Keke chairman that did this to you. It will never be well with him.
Thank you, Mama. But Mama, I need to ask you something. How did you get the 10,000 naira for my bill?
The 10,000 naira? You worry too much, my son. You worry too much. It's okay. Don't worry yourself about that.
Mama, no. Mama, I need to worry. I need to worry. Because I know we don't have 10,000 naira in this house. But whenever there is financial emergency, boom! From nowhere, money comes out. Or does this house manufacture money? Or is there another secret business you're doing that I do not know about?
Not at all. Not at all. Like I said earlier on, you worry too much. Go inside and take your bath. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. I know that you are hungry. Yeah?
Mama, you better warn the Dikeh not to damn me in this video. I've paddled him severally and this time I'm not going to take any shit from him. Do you understand what I'm saying, Mama? Do you understand what I'm saying?
You mean Dikeh signed this?
There you can see that with your eyes.
So why is he refusing to fulfill his own part of the bargain?
Mama, he ain't got no choice than to keep to the agreement that we had.
Hey, you lie. You lie. It won't happen in this house. It won't happen in this house. Oh, not after my husband and I have suffered to grow this Keke business. Now you gold diggers want to reap where you did not sow. Boo! It will not happen again, me.
Shut up! Mama, leave her, let her vomit the nonsense in her mouth. Would your husband have afforded one Keke tire if my husband had not given him the money? Answer me, here was it? If you could answer me.
And who is this one? They are my friend? Or Chakomaka? If you dare cross my lane with your madness, I will sharpen your left eye with my bare hands. Efunanya! Efunanya!
Okay, shut up! I have to give a shot, okay? No. All the time, left eye, sharpen left. Are you a left eye sharpener?
Mama! You know me very well.
I don't know you.
You know me very well, Mama.
I don't know you.
Then, back well. Back well because you know very well that my madness is follow come.
You know well.
Mama, you know say I know well.
I know say you know
then
well.
Then better back well.
And I will show you that your madness is an apprentice where my own stand. Honey, what I can't Morocco can see pado. Oh yeah, Morocco can see biao.
Let this pigeon, listen, babe. Let this pigeon know she in your class. She ain't up to your class seat, baby. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know what I'm capable of doing. But as for you, I know where to get you. I'll get at you. I'll get at you. For real, I'll get at you.
I do not have your time. But let me tell you this. Leave this your way. Let her come and fight me. You want to come and fight me? Come and fight me. If you do not lose your left eye, then know I'm an idiot. Call me an idiot, yes.
And that is what you are. Plenty idiots in one body.
Mama?
Me
an idiot?
Yes, original idiot.
Then watch me.
Hey!
Because I kept you quiet, are you sick or something? Do you know the fuck I am? Huh? I'm waiting for that retarded husband of yours, the Keke motherfucker. Look, just come right here and see me grinding. Let me tell you let me tell you how I grind in abroad, how I grind in California because I kept.
My son.
That's good.
Hey. My son, is there something very important I want get to work today. Please maintain your own lane. Just stay by your own side. Don't go fighting with anybody. I don't want any problem today, please. Huh?
Okay, Mama, I heard you. I will.
Good. And another thing. Will you say believe me? Let him be with you as you go. May my good Lord continue to bless you, guide you.
Amen, amen, and amen. Mama, I've been thinking, there is something I want to ask you.
What is it?
Mama, it's high time you told me that secret business you're doing that I do not know about. Mama, I am your son and I am not an outsider.
Yeah. Business what? What business are you talking about?
Mama, that secret business you're doing, where you got money to buy this motorcycle for me, that secret business you're doing, where you have money to shoulder all the expensive responsibilities in this house, that secret business you're doing, where you got 10,000 naira to bail me from the police cell, Mama.
My son, you worry too much. Don't worry yourself. Oh? Go to work. They're waiting. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen. Mama?
The good Lord bless you.
What about the clothes you bought? Mama? I'm talking about...
You've been making noise. Your keke, this one, that one. You bought the keke, fine and good. This is the keke you bought for me 5 years ago. You can confirm it from the chassis number. Take your keke back. And I know now. Take your keke back and don't disturb me again, Monkey.
Ejike, would you take this rubbish out of my sight? Are you sick or are you stupid? Are you sick? This is dumb. Like, are you sick? Are you stupid? After all the help? Now let me tell you something, bro. All I need is the financial account of this KK joint business. That's all I'm asking for.
What were you expecting? No, tell me now. What were you expecting? Huh? You were expecting something fresh and new. How? Abracadabra. You bought this keke for me 5 years ago. You have not checked on this keke. You have not serviced it. You have not even bought one single part for this keke. And you want to come back after 5 years and meet it fresh. Oga, this is your keke and don't disturb me again, Makeja.
Ejike, let me tell you. I give you from now to evening. I give you from now to evening for you to give the financial account. Otherwise, Ejike. Otherwise, you know what I'm capable of doing. I'll swallow you.
Now me be trouble headquarters.
Stupid ass.
We don't see 199 in the move us.
Agreement na agreement.
Illiterate.
Agreement na agreement.
How can you be married and cannot provide for your family? For how long will you continue folding your hands and wait for manna to fall from heaven? Look, I am sick and tired of this marriage.
Guinea Monsieur, Guinea Monsieur! After all, I was never ready for this marriage. I was never ready to marry you in the first place. After all, was it not your brother that gave me the money to pay for your bride price? Was it not your brother? And he also promised me with giving me more money to fend for this family. So why are you complaining? Why?
Gezu.
What is it?
Did he say my brother gave you money to pay for my bride price?
Oh, at least now you know. Now you know.
Then this marriage will not work.
Yes, it will not work. I am tired of this marriage. I am sick and tired of it. Every day she's complaining. See that she complaining I'm doing exercise or I am jobless. Is it by force to marry? I am sick and tired of this marriage. You can pack your daughter and go. I don't care. Or by force. What's that? Every day I'll be doing exercise. She'll come and interrupting me. Please go! Enough is enough!
You know, Akaji Jack wouldn't have come dragging ordinary keke business with you if not for the problem he had with EFCC. He sacrificed everything he had to the government to avoid the 50 years jail time. No, please, assist him with any share of the business.
Nah, Mama. I mean, I go for alcohol. Sorry to say, you're not making sense. Let me just snap. I wanna. Nobody, nobody will share my keke empire with me. Oh boy, you go keke now. Akaja, Kokujako, he's broke or not, though. It's none of my business, Mama. Am I the one that sent him to do scam? No, yeah, I've ever now. Mama, listen, no. It's none of my business. Nobody should stop me. I don't like this topic. I don't like this topic.
There's an Igbo adage that says, please, when the right hand washes the left is also expected to wash the right.
Old story.
Bikonu. He was the one that started the business for you, even 4 times before these things started happening.
No, Mama, also. No, also. He started, listen, my brother just helped me find and good, normal level. Brothers don't sign agreements. How? Where is the love? Where is the blood? You can't just come back because you failed in your department and start saying, I started this business for you. Let us share it. Because you are, now what for you, Mama? Out to what in? Total to what in? And that Obanja wife of his is behind this. She's the one engineering it. I know now. And I got 2 that in a bed. Very useless to girl. Mama, I will not. It's as simple as that.
You know why I'm doing all this? I see the trouble looming over our family.
Nah, Mama.
And I don't want it to land.
Mama, what do you mean by trouble is blah, blah, blah? Nah, Mama, now we be trouble headquarters now. Now we, look around now. I'm waiting for butter here. No men on suit around here now. People fight here every now and then. So I have one guy, I have 90, 100, nah, Mama. I will not share my kike empire with anybody. Be you who? You go kike. So I can't should go and fix his life. No ever try for one bad up again. You should go and fix his life.
I'm begging you. Please. Mama.
Okay, Mama. I've heard you. Bye, go. Just go. I'm missing money now. Go. There are things I can't do before you. Just go. Ha! Mama, what was there now? I ain't go for alcohol. I will see. Hey, discharge my mother from here in a sexy way. Just discharge her. Mama, what did I go for alcohol? Come on, go. Chicken. Master again, the man. Go.
And the so, Mama, I got people go time. They go.
I know one money never have. No, Mama.
Agreement. Oka barapa, okwisi keche kwea.
You're a fool. Consider about Nanga that only consider why you're so. Probably now I know one. I saw now I know one.
Papa is dead. Hey! Papa is dead. Where's Papa now? We have taken him to the mortuary. Papa not in the mortuary. Hey! Papa, why? Why? Hey!
Everybody the right, nobody the wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe.
I called both of you here for us to settle this matter amicably. No disagreement is stronger than blood. I've heard from both sides, and no need to apportion blames. We are one family, come what may. And for peace to reign, my children, two of you have to shift grounds. Because Akajiako, you brought money for the business. Ejike, you grew the business. And both of you signed an agreement. Ejike, how many keke do you have in total?
Mama, point of correction. How many keke do we have in total?
Get on name if you we. We, get on we. Mama, listen. Time is money, and I'm losing it. What I go now? I'm supposed to be in my park, collecting money, cashing out. There
goes another arrow. Our park. Yes, our park. Because as long as say the keke in that park, it's our own. So it becomes our park. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Please, both of you should stop this argument.
No, Mama, let's set things straight. We have to set it straight. We have to set it straight. Because right now, he's trying to connive us some, and I don't like that shit.
Akajiako, please. Please, we are here to make peace. Stop! Ejike, nah. How many keke are we talking about?
Okay, Mama, bye, one now. Since Akajiako, why am I even calling him Akajiako? He's broke now. Since Ukujiako is broke and needs help, and you've been on my neck, help him, one blood, help me. You are my mother, let peace reign. Mama, bye, I will sacrifice one keke. I have 17, but I will sacrifice one for him and his Obanja wife. They should go. But on one condition, I purchase. Any day they don't balance my money, lie to lie, pull on my keke. That's the least I can do for my blood since he's broke.
Thunder, fire you, strike you for vomiting the shit out of your mouth.
Which color?
May thunder fire that shit that just came out from your mouth.
Muku.
Listen, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. I'm telling you, you better watch your step. You dig, huh?
Snaya, I don't know how I got permit. I don't know how so now we do here. Mama, it is not done anywhere. Blood brothers don't sign agreements. One day, another agreement. Another agreement. I am the chairman here. My word is law and final. One keke on high purchase because it's my blood. Else, lie to lie, he will not smell even one tire. Paul no culture.
Nah, kesi nkebo high purchase. Kesi nkebo
Mama, what are we saying? Okay. My elder brother dashed me money. Fine and good, I appreciate that. That does not mean he has the right to control my life. Okay, had it been I wasted that money on alcohol, will he come back and say, because the money I gave you, keke by Kent? Nah.
Now listen to me. Listen to me and listen real good. If you like, call yourself chairman or chair table, whatever it is you called yourself. But truth be told, I just want to let you know something because you ain't seen nothing yet. Mama, speak to him. Because by the time I rise, nigga, by the time I rise, nigga, by the time I rise, by the time I rise, nigga, by the time I rise.
Mama, when you are saying to you know Paul no culture.
Makugimpi. Mama, see, speak to him though. Speak to him because you're beginning to support. I know you're up to some. You're up to some, Mama. You're up to some. Maybe he's beginning to give you some cheddars, some money, some Benjamins. You're acting some way, some kind.
Akajak, I don't understand you.
No, you won't understand. No, you won't understand. You guys are sidelining me. You're sidelining me on my own investment. You're sidelining me on my own investment. But it's all good shit there.
I don't understand your grammar. No problem. Mana, the truth is that you as an elder brother, you are not doing your work very well.
It's okay.
Yes.
That's because you ain't been nowhere. I'm trying to take you to California. You're...
Hey, Papa. Let me go and see my friend at the Ego. Where are you going with those bags? What are you doing here?
Olikagu, I am highly disappointed in you as my brother.
That still does not answer my question. What are you doing here with those bags? Stay back here, I'm talking to you. You. Stand there and answer me. Eh? What is it?
Papa, I am done with my marriage to Gezu.
What? Why?
Papa, Gezu is too lazy. He cannot provide for his family but always depend on Olikagu for money. Just the other day that he told me that it was Olikagu that gave him money to pay for my bride price. Papa, can you imagine that?
Really? Oh, okay.
Papa, you're not saying anything.
Hey! Stop there! Best thing for you to do is to carry yourself and these bags and go back to your husband's house. You must marry him. See, Ego, you must marry him. Marriage is for better and for worse. So you go back to your husband's house. If he breaks your heart, amend it. If he breaks it again, stitch it. If he continues to break your heart, continue to stitch it. Stitch it till it's fine, oh! Are you not an African woman? It's only a woman that can keep her home. So, Hanlele, the advice.
There is no going back on my decision. I have already told them to come and carry their bride price. Period. I am not getting married again.
No problem. See, let me tell you, this house will not enter.
I'm not going anywhere.
This house will not enter.
My father's house, I'm not going anywhere.
You must go back.
What is it? Who died? Zugo.
Mazokoro died last night. Mazokoro.
Which of the Okoro?
Okoro, the foremost carpenter.
Eat.
What's wrong with you? Wait, okay, see. Let me take on down.
See, we are going to share this now. So you take your own portion, I take my own portion.
In that case, I am the mother. So mine will be more.
Wait, it's going to be equal. Oh.
How can it be equal?
It's going to be equal after I bought this thing with my motorcycle money.
I know the mother. Let me eat more. I need.
I'm going to take it.
Let me count my money now. You can go. Next. count my money. Ah. Oh, nice. Yeah? Did I not tell you it is my turn to collect delivery for today? Did I not tell you? Bia, what is this monkey saying? Nnegi, monkey, Nnagi, gorilla, also. Bia, respect your left eye, yo. Respect your left eye, yo. I know why I'm saying this, so. Don't fire you. It's that girl kwa mumma, oh. Mumma. Hey. Oh, mumma. Mumma. Obi mumma. Ina mama aga. Ina mama aga. Ina mama aga. Mwakina mama aga.
One day one trouble. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dey, wahala dey. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenuku wahala, ibiana neda wahala. Nwoke fola mano bone chekosu, nwanyị fola mano bone chekosu. Alili ebu wahala dey.
How y'all like me now? 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 Now, how y'all like me now? Now, how y'all like me now? Listen, shit-haired, retarded, asshole nigga. You understand? Y'all thought all the time you win. It's always a win-win for you all the time. But I got my costs right here. What up, costs? Y'all dig? Y'all think it dig, huh? I know they don't understand me, but fuck you all, I don't know. See, listen. Y'all know I deal with FBI in the United States. But I brought you down here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all look at this shit. Listen, arrest this nigga right here.
What are you people doing?
Arrest this nigga right
Wahala dey. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenuku wahala, ibiana neda wahala.
Arrest shit.
Gentlemen, we are under arrest for breach of agreement.
I can't you man. You didn't worry me. I need to call police for.
My friend, get up before we use force on you. Get up. Get up, my friend. I'm talking to you. Get up. Yes.
Agreement.
Get up, shameless fool. Y'all thought every time you win with all those Agboro and shit, with all the powder and shit. No, how y'all like me now? I got my cuffs, I got 2 cuffs right here with a gun and shit. Nigga, tell them why, nigga. Tell them what we're doing in
Agreement na agreement Agreement na agreement
Also, don't fear ye.
Did you just say that Akajiak wants to sell you a house?
Yes. He wants to sell my property now. He wants to sell my house. Can you imagine? Akajuku brought someone to price my own property. Akajuku brought someone to price my land, my house. Can you imagine the insult, Mama? I don't know if I'll go. More than if I saw him no but do. So I come resident permit. A while ya, I'm fear. Akajuku while I'm with fear now. I don't feel way. Just warn him, oh. Warn him. That's my go see. One day I want here. Mama, warn him. I don't know if you over there, but I don't know to go out. I pass on the board.